and do it with the least amount of premium and spreading out over 2 companies that are A-rated, and he's going to get about $120,000 per year in joint income. And the rest he's going to let grow for himself in the stock market. So it's a great plan. Hey there, I'm John Stevenson. Welcome to the Guaranteed Retirement Guy Show. Today I want to talk to you about a couple that I am helping with 2 annuities. They're gonna get a ton of lifetime income. Let's see, he is 61, his wife is 57, and they are looking at 2 annuities, one from Corebridge, one from North American, and he's spending about $1.5 million. And he's going to get about $120,000 per year in joint income. Now, you might not think that that's enough, from 1.5 million, but keep in mind they are young. Okay, they're young. They're going to take income in 3 years, and so really they're taking income when she is 60. The insurance company knows that they're going to be paying this out probably for the next 30 to 40 years, and especially since she's a female, they live longer. When you're married, statistically, one of you are going to live into your mid-90s, anyways. So looking at that, their pension income comes out to around $3.5 to $4 million, which is awesome when you think about just lifetime income. I just wanted to talk about that because when you're looking at annuities, you're looking for income riders, which is what they're buying. The payouts are very big right now. And the specifics for these contracts, I got some notes here. Corebridge, he's going to put $752,894 into it. And he's going to receive an 8.5% simple interest growth rate for 3 years. The benefit base will be $944,881 multiplied by a 6.35% compounded rate. And that gives him $60,000 a year from that contract. The other contract from North American is going to be funded with $756,030. That will be receiving an 8% compounded interest growth rate. And that will grow to $952,380 multiplied by a 6.3% withdrawal rate, which will give him $60,000 from that. So he was basically looking at just creating exactly $120,000 per year and do it with the least amount of premium and spreading out over 2 companies that are A-rated that are each over 100 years old. And so we were able to do that with Corebridge and North American. And he got a phenomenal deal. And so I'm super happy for him and grateful that he was able to lock that in at such a high rate for himself, especially for a joint payout for a younger wife as well. The premium was a little different. Like for Corebridge, it was like $752,894 versus $756 with North American. So you notice that North American requires just a little bit more premium. Here's the thing, it all evens out to the same. It just depends on what the cost is from each carrier, and they're all different. And so they were pretty close, and so we were just trying to spread it out a little bit just in case, if they wanted to start income earlier or later on one of them, they could. And so that's what we were able to put together. Anyways, let me show you around. All right, so I am above Genoa, Nevada, in Carson Valley, Nevada. Beautiful area. You can see it's just greened up. See the trail up there? So it's a nice little place to go hiking. So I just wanted to come out here. I haven't been out here in a while, but this is one of my favorite spots to go hiking. It's a 9-mile loop, and takes about, fastest I've ever done it, it's like 2 hours and 10 minutes. So you do around 2,000 feet elevation gain, I would say. It's a good workout for sure. Genoa is a fun place to be. If you ever come up here, come up to Tahoe, you'd love this place. It's beautiful. They got Candy Dance in September. That's fun. A lot of little activities. This has actually got one of the oldest. It's the oldest bar in Nevada where Babyface would go hang out. President Roosevelt as well. You've got John Wayne. He used to hang out here too. Pretty cool place. They got the hanging tree nearby where they would notoriously hung one guy. I can't remember what his story was. I don't know if they did more than that, but it was a crazy Old West town here. So anyways, hope you enjoy the videos. I love sharing these stories. These are stories of real people that I work with all the time. And people are just looking to lock in guaranteed lifetime income streams using a portion of their portfolio. Okay, the gentleman I just talked about, it was not all his money. He was just using the amount he needed for income, and the rest he's going to let grow for himself in the stock market. So it's a great plan. So anyways, hopefully you found this information helpful. If you have, make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment below. And if you're looking to purchase an annuity for yourself, there is a link below this video. It goes directly to my calendar. We'll get on a Zoom meeting and we can chat. Otherwise, go to my website, johnstevenson.com. Check out the annuity calculators there. Do your research. And I always tell people, research them before reaching out, just so you know what the payouts are, and also so you don't feel like you're going to be sold something. So it's nice to be able to kind of find out what the payouts are before meeting with someone, so you don't feel like they're going to try to push you into some high commission product. So anyways, I appreciate you for watching. Hopefully you found this information valuable, and we'll see you next time. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.